Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my new set of 53 colors panpastel. They came yesterday and oh my gosh, I'm so happy with them. They are beautiful colors and they're all in trays and there are some extra tools in it. So yeah, really beautiful set. It was a gift because they were for a very good price. It was because they are new, so they were it was a sale price, and it was much cheaper than buying everything separately. So yeah, my husband said, go ahead, do it. So here are all the colors, but in real life they are so much more beautiful. I turned the box because it's a big box and the lid will hit my camera otherwise. Goes just over there. So in the set you get sponges, 2 big ones. I had a little accident with this one, but this is a brand new one. Little sponges, a set of 4 different ones. A tool with a little socket, so how do you call them? No. And a new color charts with all the new colors in it, so that's nice. It's a new one, and then you get all the beautiful colors. So I put the box aside because it's so big, and I don't want to start with this one. I want to start with the reds, but I have to tell you that they are not in the exact same order as they came in, because oh my gosh, let's put the light out because that's horrible. Change my light a little, because I already put them in a different order, because there are series that are now bigger than the ones we already had. And the autofocus is still on. Oh my gosh, this is the 3rd time I'm doing this video because my mic wouldn't work. Like in the permanent red, there are new colors, but there were colors that were there already. I can bring the camera down now a little bit more. So I was putting them all together, and then when I was uploading the video, I noticed that again the sound was not working, so I had to put them all back in the trays. But maybe the order is a little different, but it is the new colors. Let's take the lid off. So they are beautiful. There's one new yellow, only one, so no tint, no shade, just one yellow, but it is a beautiful yellow. Then there are the new colors. In the set that was already there were 20 true colors, and now there are 10 new ones. And what they did, they made new colors in between. So you had the tint, and now some of them have a light and a medium, some only have a medium, and some are just the 4 colors that you already had: the tint, the true color, the shade, and the extra dark. But some of them have now 5 or 6 colors, so that's nice. And I know that I think the permanent red has 5 or 6, and the crimson is a new color range, and I think that has 6. And there are some new greens, so there's an extra color in the purple. Oh my gosh, they are in there, so I cannot get up. Yeah, this is the violet light, so you had the tint and then the true color, so this is an in-between. But beautiful pink colors. And then, look at this. Oh my gosh. Everything is new, so it's a bit sturdy. That's a good thing. I had a little accident with this one, but that's okay. So new greens, some are an extension of the greens. I think there is a green yellow, green, and green oxide that are an extension from the greens that were already there. But I think there are some new ones. There's a beautiful blue here and a nice dark blue. So yeah, I think the greens, we could use new greens. I think that's lovely to have the new greens. They are really nice, especially this is excellent colors. I really like them for leaves and stuff. I think the panpastel are not really made to color in coloring books, but for people who make real art. But I like to use them in my color books, and yeah, they make me happy, so I don't care. I know I'm not an artist and I'm not doing big paintings and portraits and landscapes and things, but I like to work with them. I love them. I like the colors, so it doesn't matter. And I also like to use them in my art journal for mixed media or something. So, and this is the colors I really like, because you know I like to color or portraits, and well, I was always struggling with the colors that were there. You can mix them, but still. But look at these. This one, these amazing colors. So, and if you want a darker skin, beautiful colors. So I think one is, let me check. I think the raw sienna is a new color range. That is this one, and they are really beautiful. So now you have raw sienna, raw umber, burnt umber. So all the, and I was always thinking we need more brownish colors, and now they are there. So yeah, stunning. Really happy with these. So yeah. And now that I have 3 trays and the rest is all separate boxes, I screw them together. But I think I need more trays now, because I really like to have them all together in trays, all the colors. So I think I need 2 more. I have one small one with 10 colors. These have 20. So yeah, next thing I will buy are new palettes to put them in, and then I have them all together and not in a drawer. More easy to take them out. So yeah, that's the next thing. But happy with all the new colors. They are beautiful and I will be happy to use them. So I hope you like to see it. Thank you for watching. Maybe till next time. Bye for now.